SciCuriousID presents. Imagine a dish so richly spiced and perfectly caramelized, it can last for weeks without spoiling. Rendang, the iconic dish of West Sumatra, is often called the world's most delicious food. But behind its intense flavor lies chemistry, thermodynamics, and centuries of culinary engineering. Today, we uncover the science that makes rendang a slow-cooked masterpiece.
Behind every question lies discovery. I'm Saluna, and this is SciCurious, where we uncover the science shaping our world.
Rendang originates from the Minangkabau people, whose nomadic culture required food that could survive long journeys. Slow-cooked in coconut milk and spices, it gradually reduces until the sauce disappears, leaving dark, flavor-packed meat. Traditionally served at ceremonies and celebrations, rendang symbolizes patience, wisdom, and respect. Recipes are passed down through generations, each family guarding its own spice blend. Rendang's transformation relies on three major processes: Maillard reactions, water evaporation, and fat caramelization. First, the Maillard reaction occurs as proteins in the meat interact with sugars from shallots, coconut milk, and spices. This forms hundreds of flavor molecules responsible for rendang's deep brown color and roasted aroma. Second, slow evaporation removes water, preventing microbial growth and creating a natural preservation effect. Third, coconut fat undergoes caramelization, coating the meat in a flavor-rich oil that protects it from oxidation. Turmeric, galangal, ginger, garlic, and chili contain antimicrobial compounds that further extend shelf life. Studies show that fully reduced rendang can remain safe without refrigeration for days, sometimes weeks, thanks to low moisture and natural preservatives. Minangkabau cooks say rendang isn't made, it's raised like caring for a child. The final texture is judged by sound. When the pot begins to whisper, caramelization is complete. In traditional weddings, rendang making can take an entire community. A well-known joke says you can tell a cook's patience by their rendang. Rendang proves that slow cooking is a science and an art built on time, heat, and ancestral wisdom. Curious for more? Subscribe and stay curious with SciCuriousID. Try making rendang at home and share your results.
There's always more to discover. I'm Selu, and this has been SciCurious. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next wonder.